Hi.
Hello.
Hello. How much this?
This is all original. Not a bacon.
Original. You are original.
No origin.
You are original China. Yes, of course.
Yes.
But not this is.
Yes. I show you price.
How much is it?
The original.
This one.
15 euro.
Wait. I show you price. RMB.
Quanto?
17,
4.000.
6,
RMB.
RMB.
Yeah.
7 per 6,
40 diviso 7 sono
6,
700 no,
600 euro.
Troppo. Not so much.
This is good.
But this is...
This is original.
Yes, of course.
Yes. I know.
You know.
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy. Oh, good. Made in Italy.
Yeah?
Yes.
In Italy?
No, sto scherzando.
Maybe France. This one France.
This is French.
Someone made in Italy. Someone made in France.
This very good. Original.
Original.
All is original.
Yes.
Vabbè,
No fake. Not a
No
fake.
fake. No.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Ciao.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome back.